About this item: power specification: input 100-240V 50/60 Hz, output 4.75V/1.6A, charger cable length 7 feet, USB cable length 3M, product compatible, specially made for Nintendo Wii U gamepad. Ideal quality replacement or backup power AC adapter for your Wii U gamepad. High quality, made from durable material for long time use, and with auto voltage feature that allows the adapter to be used worldwide. Easy to use durable power adapter and USB charge cable allows you to have maximum portability and game time. Seamless plug and play charging, extended life guarantee, after sales support. Our product 100% extremely strictly before selling. You can give it as a gift to your family, friends, classmates, and anyone, especially your children. If you have any issues for this product, please contact us by Amazon message. We will provide you satisfied solution at first time. Content: 1X AC power adapter for Nintendo Wii U gamepad. 1X USB cable in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: power specification: input 100-240V 50/60 Hz, output 4.75V/1.6A, charger cable length 7 feet.